Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Copy.ai for writing a YouTube script. So first and foremost, you have to basically go to Copy.ai in order for you to start. So basically you can log in and then use your Google account or add your email and your password. So sign in and create a free account if you are new. So you can tap on login right here, and then you will have your option. You should tap on the sign up if you don't have an account yet, but if you have an account already, then basically just proceed with the login option. So since I don't have an account yet, I'll tap sign up and proceed with continue with Google. Wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. So just click continue. Now step 2, use the chat feature as recommended. So this is the interface of Copy.ai. What you're going to do here is tap on the create new, and then you have to look for chat. So click chat on the left hand menu. This acts like your personal writing assistant, just like chatting. So it's now creating a chat. And then proceeding with the step 3, what you're going to do here is you just have to give a clear prompt. So basically, you can see here real-time search, long form content. You can create a blog post about search engine optimization and then brainstorm ideas. But for the sake of this tutorial, of course, I will be adding a prompt right here since our tutorial is all about how to use Copy.ai for writing a YouTube script. So I'm going to add a prompt right here for my YouTube script. So let's just say I'm about to create a content or a video that talks about why waking up early can change your life. So I want this as a 5-minute YouTube script, but actually you can change this to 3 minutes or 10-minute YouTube script. Everything is up to you. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to write a 5-minute script only, YouTube script. And then I want to emphasize this include a strong hook, personal intro, 3 key benefits, and a powerful call to action. Use an inspiring. You could also change this to friendly, professional tone. Everything is up to you. Now tap this one and then wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. Now you have to take note that you only have 2,000 words. If you want to upgrade, you just have to click upgrade your plan. But once you use this one, then you need to create another one using your other account. But I strongly suggest to upgrade your plan. And this is my 5-minute YouTube script. So if you want to make it longer, you can also add here longer version. So I add here longer version, and let's just wait for the result. Okay. Now step 4, you just have to simply edit or refine using follow-up prompts right here. Everything is up to you. You can ask to revise, for example, make the hook more attention-grabbing, add transitions between actions, make the tone more energetic and fast-paced, or turn this into a 7-minute version. Everything is up to you. So once you have added one, then basically step 5, that's finish. You can copy the final script. Okay, and then once the script looks good, you just have to copy and paste it into your script editor. You can just basically copy or store it and then download. So here's the thing, all you have to do is to read this one, of course, like, hey, transform your life, the power of waking up early. Then here's the intro. Good morning, world changers. Today we're going on a journey to discover the incredible power of waking up early and how it can truly transform your life. So basically, this is just an example on how to create a YouTube script here using Copy.ai. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.